Good afternoon, 8th graders. Hope you guys are having a great day and you had a great weekend. I'm going to explain to you what your new assignment is. So before I even get started with that, remember we are in our web design unit. So we have been working on our Google Music site, which you'll get some time to finish off later in the week if you haven't finished that. Remember that Google Sites 101 will explain to you, if you don't remember, come Monday and Tuesday, how to kind of navigate Google and what each thing does, how to create a new site, make sure you're creating a new theme, make sure that it looks the way it needs to, kind of explains to you here how everything needs to go and what everything does for you. Your new assignment is to decide on somewhere you would like to go. Now, I did create this as an assignment, that way you each get a copy of the rubric. So you're going to tell me somewhere that you would like to go. It has to be somewhere outside of the United States. Choose somewhere tropical or cold or anywhere that you would like to go. Personally, I might go to Fiji or Bora Bora. I really wanted to visit Denmark, so those type of places, wherever you would like to go. It can be somewhere well known or somewhere not so well known. If you are having some issues deciding on where you want to go to Google and type in top places to visit out of the US. Once you do that, it's going to pop up with so many different places that you'll be able to choose from. Like Travel News will give you the top 25 places. So Paris, London, Barcelona, Maui. It'll give you some different ideas if you are having some issues. So back to our rubric. You need to make sure that you are using a blank template. Remember, you're choosing your own theme, but you don't want to use a template that's already created for you. On your homepage, you need to tell me why you want to go there in a paragraph, which is 4 to 6 sentences. And then you have to put a picture of a map on there, or if you can figure out how to use the map widget, that would work too. You need to have a page on 5 things you want to do while you're there with explanations of each and pictures. So do a picture. If you want to go parasailing, you can explain what parasailing is and then put a picture of it. You need to have 5 local foods to try while you would be visiting there, and then put a picture of each on there as well. Kind of tell what maybe the foods are made of if you find where that's at. You need to choose a hotel to stay in and include why you want to stay there, what the hotel offers, and the different amenities, which amenities would be like a free continental breakfast every morning, or if you stay at this hotel, then these different things are included. And then you need to put 5 pictures of the hotel on that same site, same page as well. You need to have 5 pictures of the interesting facts that you're going to find. 5 interesting facts on a different page, kind of list them out. You can do it as a bullet point and then put the pictures wherever you would like on that page. You need to tell me a little bit about the history of where that place is. So you can talk about how it was founded, you can talk about anything to do with the history of it. Now, if you use some of the history for the interesting facts page, you need to choose different information for the history. You need to have 5 pictures on the history page as well. You have to have 5 videos somewhere on your site. Now, for example, if I decide to go to YouTube, I can search, if I want to go to Denmark, I could do like Denmark travel video. And once you search that, you will see a lot of different, like the Travel Channel does a lot of different things, along with whoever is doing, like Copenhagen is the capital, so they have put out some different videos as well. Any of those would count. You need to make sure that you do not have any grammar or spelling errors. Those are some big things we need to make sure that are happening. And then finally, once you are done, you get 5 points just for sharing the site with me. That way I know when you're done and you can grade it. Now, I'm giving you 3-4 days to get this done. Again, just like with everything else in class, if you need extra time, we will talk about that at a later date. You can expect to at least work on this Monday through Thursday, and then Friday we will talk if you need another day or not. If you have any questions, please, please, please make sure you ask. And if your sub can't answer them, or another student in class can't answer that, then please email me and let me know. Again, I can't guarantee that I will answer you right away, but I will at least answer you. That way for the next class period, you can have an answer for that. Now, I'm going to show you one last time how to get to sites. You have to be logged into Google. So once you're logged into Google, you can go ahead and click on the apps button here. And then once you're here, you're going to go to sites, or you're going to have to go to more, then even more from Google. Scroll down till you see home and office, and sites will be right here. Once you click on sites, it will pop up. You're going to click create. Use the blank template. You have to name your site so that way it's unique. So I could put Miss Brown's trip to Denmark. Your select a theme is right here. You select your own theme however you would like to do that. You might want to stick with something that has to do with travel or not. It's up to you. So I might choose this one, and then I click create. Now as this is creating, as long as up here you see creating your site, you're good to go. It will pop up when it's ready. If it says that your site is not unique enough or choose a different name, that just means that you have to make your site name a little bit more unique. Once we're up here, I'm going to quickly add a page. Okay. So once I have my page created, a lot of you have asked in the past how to delete a page. To delete a page, you're going to go to the little gear here. You have to be on the page you would like to delete. So I'm on my example page. And then once I'm here, I can push delete page. It'll ask me if I really want to delete it, and I can click delete. One other thing you might need to know if you forget to choose your own theme, you're going to go to the little gear here. You're going to go to Manage Site, and at the bottom you will see Themes, Colors, and Fonts. Once you click on that, right here it'll say Base Theme. You can change how it looks. You can also change your different colors here if you want to mess around with that, along with the site header, the content area, all those different types of things. You can take a look at that. We will also go through this once more on Wednesday when I'm there with you. Once you're done switching things, you click Save. It'll say your changes have been saved, and then I can go back to Miss Brown's trip to Denmark, and it'll take me back. Again, if you have questions, ask. You can also email me. Have a wonderful day. Please be good for your sub. If by some miracle you get done within the next couple of days, then you can work on the site that you haven't finished yet, or you can be on typing games. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you on Wednesday.